Hi everybody! Today we are at a new spot. We are going to try metal detecting on an old wagon road. Yep, we have one of those crossing the ranch, and I'll show you the ruts that are left right here. It's not really that noticeable, but just going through here, and this is the part that has never been disturbed from fields and whatnot, and you can see the road just went down to where the house is and on out northeast. So we're going to see if they left anything along here. And we got some rain yesterday, 9/100 of an inch. And the fog is moving in. I hope it doesn't come any farther up the canyon. Yeah, so I'm standing in a cutoff from the Old Oregon Trail. And forgot to mention, first day of fall, September 22nd. It was 33 degrees this morning. It came in with a vengeance. I'm sad summer's over. Well, it's 46 degrees right now. Let's get going. Well, I've been digging up an iron sound that was deep, and I don't know if I'm going to find anything, but I did find a bulb to a wild onion. There's a lot of wild onions out here. But the ground is still so dry. You've got about a ½ inch of moisture here, and then it's just dry and rocky. We need some more rain. Okay, hear that iron grunt? It says 0 at 10+ inches. What do you think that is? I just dug up this area and couldn't find anything, not even a nail. So is it just minerals, or is there like a tiny speck of iron down there? Just curious. I'm not very experienced yet. Well, I've been out here a little while, maybe an hour if that. And the fog seems to be coming this way. There's a little west wind. No, fog. Stay away. We want a clear, sunny day. Haven't found anything yet. Just some iron beeps. And this Excalibur shovel really does a good job digging up this old sod. So check out excaliburshovels.com. I'll put the link in the description. Well, I'm using my AT Pro today, and I'm on 0 discrimination. So I hear all the grunts, and those grunts are at like 0. So that's all I've been seeing so far. Something shallow. Ooh, what is it? What is down there? Oh, it sounds like something big. Oh my goodness, what is that? Well, that is not old, is it? Some kind of farm equipment broke right here, I guess. Yeah. Bummer. Well, let's see if there's anything else down there. Yep, that's all it was. Okay. Let's see if there's anything else to find. Okay, we're gonna dig this up. It's all over the place. Ooh, right there. What is that? Interesting. I don't know. It's light. Let's see what it is on the AP Pro. 67. 59. What is that, guys? All right, let's see if there's anything else there. Well, there's nothing else in that hole, and I'm going to be going along the side of the ruts now. So let's see what we can find. Okay, I got a signal here. It says it's about 4 inches deep. I got a square nail, guys. A small one. They're even out here. I nailed it again. Well, there's nothing else in that hole, so I wonder if that nail came on the Oregon Trail, or if one of the workers came up from the house over this way to where some sheep herder shacks were. Good question, guys. How old is that nail? I know it's before 1900, but how far before? Mystery. Let's keep going. Okay, 72, 77, 80. Seems like there's something shallow and something deep. So let's check it out. All right, that seems like something big. Maybe another bolt. Oh, what is this? It is a piece of metal. Maybe like an old can. Okay. Nothing spectacular. Let's see if there's anything else here. Okay, let's see what this shows up on the AT Pro. Oh my word, 89, 90, 86, 7, 36. It shows everything. No wonder it sounded so good. Wonder how old this piece of metal is. Okay, let's see what else we can find. Okay, there's something in there. What could it be? Wonder if it's some more junk, but who knows? Okay, what is it? Underneath this sagebrush bush. Oh my goodness, it's screaming at me. Piece of metal. Looks like that other metal. There's a little lip there though. Mystery metal. Well, just got a good signal, and guess what it was? 22 shell. Not old, I don't think. Somebody has been here shooting stuff. We've got a seed pod from the wildflower called a sago lily, and I imagine the seeds have already fallen out of there. But they're a purple flower that blooms in the mid to late summer. Well, I've been here a couple hours and my knees need a rest. Haven't found anything good yet. I worked down to the fence behind me and back and around right here, but it's a beautiful day and the fog left. That's nice. Beautiful day. There's Mount Hood. Mount Jefferson's over there. And you can just barely see Mount Adams poking its head over that hill. Can you imagine the early pioneers? This was the easy part of the trail, but once they got over there a couple miles, they had to go down a steep hill into a canyon. Then they had to cross a raging river and then come out of that canyon and then work their way up to the Cascades and cross that till they got to the Willamette Valley. I think that might be the hardest part of the Oregon Trail. I don't know. One of the hardest parts anyways. Rugged people back then. Well, we'll come out here another day. Join me in these videos for some more metal detecting and treasure hunting adventures on this old ranch. And if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing and smash that like button. Thank you so much for watching.